To erase things I don't want from this doll size image that ChatGPT created me, I'm going to make sure the photo is selected like so. And I'll go over to edit and I'll come to this Magic Studio section and I'll click here and go over to Magic Grab. My grab is on click. You can use the brush, you can use foreground, select things that are on foreground. But I'm going to go with the click. This one works best for me. So I'm going to be taking out all these things. This was what I actually requested for. I'm going to click on this one. I like clicking on all of it that I want to take out at once. And I'll click on this. The tripod appeared twice. So I'm going to take out this one. It didn't select the whole of the tripod, so we are going to continue clicking. Make sure everything is selected and we're going to say grab. It has grabbed this out, but it left a little bit of faintness. I'm going to pull this out and I'm going to go back to the design and go to edit. And I'm going to use the magic eraser now. And I'll be brushing. You can use the brush size. I'm going to take this brush size and circle this part out. I'm going to select this one and let's erase this. Send me a message on Instagram if you want a one-on-one personalized coaching on how to use Canva. Like this video if you got value from it and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.